So when I came to R3, I was greeted by Maria, and she was just so warm and welcoming. I felt like I was in a good place. Quana was absolutely amazing. It was probably one of the hardest times of my life, and they totally understood what I was going through and how hard this was on me. There was a lot of tears. I would come in some days and it was just an awful day, and Maria would make me smile, and Quana and I would talk about fantasy football or something like that. And it felt like I had a family, and they really cared about my well-being. And if I was having a bad day, they would try to make it better. I can't say enough about the people here. I got great treatment, but it was more about how I was treated and the love that I felt like I was receiving from people here. So one of the things that I absolutely loved about R3, I think I said maybe before, that it felt like a family. I felt very taken care of. I also said, it wasn't just bearable, it was enjoyable. And I say that because I liked coming in. I liked seeing Maria at the front desk and her asking me about my day, how I was doing. And if I wasn't doing well, she would go get me water, or she would, ask me what she could do to help me. And that was it was such an amazing thing. And I felt so taken care of and at peace here. Maria really took great care of me. It was almost like I had another mom. Some days I would come in and she would look at me and she just knew I was having a bad day. And she just somehow knew how to make it better. And it was just so important that I had that caring and lovingness that made such a terrible experience something that I can look back on and think, I feel like I made friends here. I have come back to the center since I've been healed just to say hi, because these people really mean a lot to me. So I would highly recommend R3. I actually have recommended R3 to a friend who got a wound after having COVID, and it's on his foot. And I told him, this is the best experience that I've had. I actually have gone to other wound care places, and this place is by far just goes above and beyond to take care of their patients. And I would never want to go anywhere else if I ever have another wound.